Good job. How are you today? Good? Let's sing our greeting song before we get started with our lesson. Do you remember our greeting song? Today I have a very special friend to help me. Anybody know what this animal is? I like how he raised his hand. That's very good. A pig. What sound does a pig make? So today, Mr. Pig is going to help us with our greeting song. Everybody say, hello, Mr. Pig.
Hello, Mr. Pig.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Great job. Does anybody know where Mr. Pig lives? Remember to raise your hand. If you know where Mr. Pig lives, raise your hand. Think first, answer second. See who's sitting very nicely? Michaela. Yes, Mr. Pig lives on a farm. We've been studying how to spell. Let's see if we can sound out the word farm. Ready? Everybody. F. R. R. 2 letters make the A-R sound. R. R. M. Good. So Mr. Pig lives on a farm, and we spell farm like F-A-R-M. One more time. F-A-R-M. Can we read a book with Mr. Pig? Can we? Let's see. Okay, Mr. Pig's going to go take a break, and we're going to read a book to learn about the farm that Mr. Pig lives on. Are you ready? And before I read my book, I have a very big book. Oh, it's so heavy. This book is about a farm. It says, let's go to the farm. Because I have a very big book, do you know what I need? You don't know? I need very big glasses to read my very big book. Okay? Let's go to the farm. Look at the picture on the front cover. Raise your hand if you can tell me what you see. A duck? A mother duck and a baby duck? Okay, duckling.
A baby duck.
A baby duck again? Does anyone see anything else?
A duckling.
Duckling. Duckling is a baby duck. Very good. Grass. Good. Rocks? Okay. So we're going to read our book about the farm, and I'm going to use my very big glasses so I can see better. And make your eyes very big so you can see good too. All right, good job. Ready? Come on. Let's go to the farm. How many people are going to the farm? 2 people. What kind of pet do they have with them?
A dog.
A dog. There are animals on the farm. Here are some baby animals. This picture has a lot of animals. What kind of animals do you see in this picture? Thank you for raising your hand.
Chicks.
Chicks.
Horses.
Horses. Calves. Calves. Very good. Calf is a baby cow. Very good. Grass. Grass is not an animal, but there is grass in the book. Okay, good. Pigs. There is a baby cow. What sound does a cow make? There is a baby duck. What sound does a duck make? Oh, you're good. This little duck likes to eat. She eats from morning until night. She looks for good things to eat. Here is a baby horse. What sound does a horse make? The baby horse is smelling ivy. Ivy is this green plant. Horses like to eat a lot of green plants like ivy or grass. The baby pig jumps when the farmer brings food. Okay. I want you to look at the smartboard and see what other things we can find on a farm. Are you ready? If you're ready, touch your head. If you're ready, touch your nose. If you're ready, touch your ears. Move your ears. If you're ready, pat your head. This is patting. Not too hard. If you're ready, hands back. Very good, okay? Let's see what else we can find on Mr. Pig's farm. Repeat after me. Sheep.
Sheep.
Look at the picture. Sheep.
Sheep.
Pig.
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 Raise your hand if you know, what is the pig rolling around in? Mud. Good. Mud. Is mud clean or dirty?
Dirty.
I like how he raised his hand, Chase.
Dirty.
Dirty. Cow. Everybody say, cow.
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 Raise your hand. What color is a cow? White and black. Egg. Everybody say,
Egg.
good. Where do eggs come from? I wonder. Which animal has eggs? Lays eggs. Which animal lays eggs? I like how you raise your hand and quiet.
Snakes.
Snakes lay eggs. Which animal on the farm lays eggs?
Chicken.
Chicken lays an egg. I know you do. And when the chicken lays an egg, a baby chick comes out. A chick is a baby chicken. What color is this little chick?
Yellow.
It's yellow. Everyone say chick.
Chick.
Hey.
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 What animal eats hay? Yes, a horse can eat hay. Do you know another animal? Cow can eat hay. Do you know another animal? Did you think about it? Okay, you can think about it and tell me later, okay? Everyone say, hey.
Hey.
Chicken.
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 Let me hear, what does a chicken sound like? Oh, they're good chickens. Barn.
Barn.
What color is a barn?
Red.
It's red. A barn is a place that animals live. A barn is a place that animals live. Barn. Cow.
Cow.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Very good. Okay, you are so good and you know all of your animals. We have to do one more activity. We're going to play a game called Crazy Cubes. Okay, have you ever seen this before? Okay, listen to the rules first, and then we're going to play. Turn your ears on. Make sure they're on, both of them. Check one, check two. Okay, I am going to toss this cube. I'm not going to kick it. I'm not going to hit it. I am going to toss it. Whichever animal the cube lands on is the animal sound you have to make. Okay? So when I toss it like this, it's going to land on one animal. That is the animal that you have to pretend to be. Let's see which animals are on our cube. Chicken. What's chicken sound? Goat. Ooh, the good goats. Cow. And horse. Okay, ready? When I count to 3, we're going to stand up and we're going to jump 2 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, stop. try one more time. Ready? Jump 2 times. Go. 1, 2, stop. Okay, ready? Are you ready? This one is a goat. Let me hear your goats. Louder. Ready? Let's see where it goes. This one is a cow. Let me hear your cow. One more time. This one is a chicken. Good job. Okay? Let's sit back down quietly. Hands back. Great job. We're out of time, so we have to go to our activity class. So we're going to line up to get ready to go to our activity class, okay? Before we go to our activity class, you need to think about your favorite farm animal. Everybody think. Let me see you think. Kayla's thinking. Madison's thinking. Chase is thinking. Are you thinking? Okay. When I say your favorite farm animal, you're going to line up at the back door and get ready for activity class. Ready? If your favorite animal is this, line up quietly. If your favorite animal is a cow. Good. Chase is the first one. If your favorite farm animal is a chicken. Nobody likes chicken? Okay, I know this one. If your favorite farm animal is a pig. Kayla likes pigs. If your favorite farm animal is a goat. How about a sheep? No? If your favorite one is a horse. Everyone lined up. Everyone likes horses. Okay. Ready? Let's go to activity. Okay, let's go. Line up quietly. Let's go.